Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So Ty and I thought that after a year and a half we should post another video. So today we're going to go over my Sharesies portfolio again. So it's been nearly 4 years since I've had Sharesies. So we're going to go over my returns, or the lack of returns, more like it. Cool, so as you can see here, this is my current portfolio balance. So I did recently sell a couple of shares, so I do have a lot of my portfolio value in my wallet as well. So this is my current returns here, so 5.26% return in total. So next month it'll be 4 years since I've had shares, so that's over 4 years. But we'll go over my returns on my investments shortly as well. So if we look at the 4-year mark, so start 15th of September 2017, then we'll just go through quickly here my returns over time. Not sure why it's doing that, so we'll go through here. I'll just do this slowly. So up and down quite a bit, and then at the end of 2019 it went up reasonably well, and then obviously with COVID it dropped off all of a sudden, so it was a negatives excuse me, it was a negatives for quite a bit there, and then yeah, just continued dropping off and then starting to come back now. So early this year, up and down quite a bit, and then just recently, so just in the past few days actually, has it gone up quite a bit, and that was because of Z Energy. So look at my two recent sell orders. So I recently sold Ryman there because that went up, I think it was up 8%, so I thought I'd just get rid of it because I'm pretty impatient. I'm probably not what an investor should be. And then Z Energy, so I sold that amount there, and then also my main amount there in Z. So I had quite a big, a lot of my portfolio in Z, so I thought I would get rid of that while it's up, because of the recent news there, they might be getting a takeover bid. So that's why I've got $2,600 in my wallet there, and then we'll go through my other investments. So I don't have as much as I had in the last update video on the channel. So A2 Milk here, that's my current investment there, and then we've got Air New Zealand, so it's gone down quite a bit recently as well. Then you've got Auckland International Airport, so not too much there. Then we've got Genesis Energy there, which is down a little bit as well. Then bought a bit of Rua, just bought the hype, but that hasn't really paid off yet, but we'll just see what happens with that one. Then got Sanford, see the 5-year, that's why I bought that, because it was quite low. Don't know why else I bought it. And then we've got Sky TV, so I've been holding that for a long time, just in case of a miracle, maybe a takeover bid like Z, so maybe it'll skyrocket, hopefully. So I had that for quite a long time, this one. And then we've got Spark as well down there, up a couple of percent. So yeah, I don't have much in my portfolio at the moment. That's because my shares is sort of taken a back seat, been too busy working. So yeah, what I put my shares now, don't really look into it too much. I don't really research the company. I just sort of buy what I think will go up or what people suggest me to buy, which is not what you're supposed to do, but it is what it is. Yeah, so that's my Sharesies there. I'll probably give you an update in another year and a half. We'll see what happens. So over the past 4 years, my returns haven't been that amazing, but that's because I've just kind of been playing around with it. I don't really research it too much, and I don't invest what I can't afford to lose, so it's sort of just a hobby for me now. Let us know what else you'd like to see in the channel, and we'll then get out some more content over the next couple months, and then we won't upload for another year.